Paper Pumpkin is. It is a monthly kit that comes to your door. And it has everything you need, except for scissors, to make projects. And this one, this is what they come in. They're wrapped in thick plastic, and you don't need to see my address or anything. But and they've got the address of where they come. And I have 2 extra kits of these. If anybody's interested, if they didn't, because see, you have to buy them in advance. And but anyway, I have 2 kits right now that are extra. So, but we are going to open this up, and I've already dug in. I had to look, guys. Pardon me for coughing here. Okay. Look at this. Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. Christmas cards. I love it. And I've already made one of them. Here's this one. And as I look at it, I did it backwards. I switched the red and that pretty gray paper that looks like wood. And here's the other one. I love this because it's got sparkles, and these are some of the gems they send with it. And this actually coordinates with another suite in the catalog. But we're going to make an alternative card, gang. I've not made it, but we're going to now. So first we're going to need, well, let me show you what's in here. We have some red twine. Look at these pretty things. I don't know if you can see. Can you see the sparkle? Aren't those gems gorgeous? We don't have anything else like that. So those are gorgeous. Okay, and here is the stamp set. Merry Christmas, peaceful Christmas wishes, holiday cheer, sending you peace and joy all year long, wishing you and your family all the best, to you and yours, from our house to yours, and some trees and some stars. So lovely. I always like stamping. This is what it comes with. It comes like this, but I always like to stamp so I have an example, so I can see really quickly what we've got. So and then we get Shaded Spruce is our ink spot. And, oh, I just have an extra. Okay, there we go. We'll get that back. That's from something else. Okay, so we're going to need that. And what I've need to come out and show you, here are the card bases. Oh, this is what we're going to use with an alternative. Look at this envelope. It's got silver foil trees, and it's got gingham on the inside. So we're going to make an alternative with this. So I need that out. And I don't think I'm going to use anything else in the kit right now. But I mentioned that this coordinates with another a suite, the Peaceful Christmas suite. It coordinates with that, so you might check that out. So, okay, so let's get the box out of the way, get the instructions out of the way. And what we're going to need, I'll just put these right here. And gang, if you do not have a demonstrator, I would love to earn your business. This is where you can contact me either with questions or orders. And this is my host code for the month. So these are our cards. I'm going to scoot it over just a little bit. It looks like I can. Good. I'm going to move it up just a little bit. And we're going to need that. Okay. I need my trimmer. I've got a few things here we're going to be working with. Okay. And I don't know if you have, I love using the envelopes as alternative projects. And so the way I do this is on my trimmer. I need to take the corner off. And lots of times I'm going to use this piece here. So lots of times I'll just come to maybe like right there to where the print ends, and I'll just slice that. And I don't need the gum or the sticky part of the envelope, so I can cut that off. And let me see, once again, I don't need that. Just going to go to the edge. There we go. Okay, get these bits and pieces out. And look what we've got. We have all of this green with the foil, and we have all this gingham. Well, I'm going to make this the bottom of my card. So right on the fold. So I've got this to play with later. Woohoo! So, but for right now, we will get this out of the way. And I'm going to put this on a white card base. I have a thick white card base that I've already scored and folded in half. And so I want it to just barely have a, just barely have a little bit of white. So, you know, I could measure, but I'm just going to wing it. We're going to put it right there and see what it looks like. Okay. Well, I want it a little bit smaller. So, there we go. Let's see what that looks like. Yep, that's it. Okay, so I can get the trimmer out of the way. Okay, let me show you my bits and pieces that are left that I can use later. I've got a little bit of green. I have green, or I can choose to use my gingham. I've got more gingham or shaded spruce that I can use. But that will be on another project. Okay, because I want to put this right here. So I think what I want to do is, I need my mat. I'm going to use, first I think I'm going to use Peaceful Christmas Wishes. And I'm going to put it over here. So I need my shaded spruce. And I'm going to practice stamping because I've not used this stamp set. There we go. Okay, that works good. So let's ink this up. Looks like I'm moving the camera. Sorry. Okay. Peaceful Wishes right there. Okay. Very good. Now, you know, I think I wanted to use black because I thought it would stand out further. So I'm changing something on the fly. But what I want to do is I want to put a lot of these stars on this page. So I'm going to randomly put some stars. And put some there. And I'm putting it right on my sentiment because I'm doing something different. And put a little bit right there. Okay. And on the inside of my card, I want to put the trees that we get. And I can also put a sentiment on the tree. I mean on the inside, but I'm going to put you right there. Press down. There we go. Good deal. And I'll put some stars there. And I'll put my sentiment in here later. I think I'm going to do that. Now, since I just changed my mind, I wanted to do this in black so it would show better. So, let me see. I'm going to use a punch. Let me look at my punches here. I'm going on the fly, gang. Let's see. How does that look? That's awful big. You know, this may be... Yes, that will fit. So, and I'm going to use white, in fact. So, I just happen to have some white paper. Okay. Now, see, actually, I could do green on this now, but I was going to use black. Nope, I'm using green. I'm changing. We're going to see what it looks like. I'm going to do one side in green and one side in black and see which I like. There we go. You know, I really like what that looks like. right there. And you know, we have a little bit of gingham. I could put some gingham. Oh, look at that. Yes, we're going to use that. So, I need to slice this really quick. I'm really winging it, gang. I think I'm going to put that there and here. Okay, and now I want this flagged, so in the middle is right there. That's how I do it, like that. And wasn't quite the middle, which is okay. There we go. I think we'll put that right there. Yep. Okay, we will use the glue dots that comes in the kit. I need to turn this over. We'll put one there, one here. Maybe we'll put one down here too. Okay, and now get these off. One more. There we go. Okay. And we are going to put you right here. And I want to bump this up. Where are my dimensionals? Here we go. Here's a couple dimensionals. There and there. Okay. I think right there. Looks wonderful. And we'll put that right there. We're going to use our glue dots. And there we go. And we'll put one in the middle. Just takes a minute to take the back off. Cool. Well, thank you, Vicki. This is designing on the fly, courtesy of a mistake or something I was not going to do, but that's okay. So there we go. And you know, I have this piece of green. Yep. I'm going to put this green in there too. I've got it. Let's use it. Oh, no, we're going to use the gingham instead. I hid my glue dots. Where did I put them? Up. Oh, isn't that silly? Right here in front of me. I think I will show the gingham. So we'll put a piece there and one in the middle to hold it, make sure it stays down. There we go. Okay. And open it up and put it on the inside. Okay. There we go. So we have an alternative card. Bing, 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 bing. And this, I didn't tell you, this is the Label Me Fancy punch that I used on the fly. And so, gang, this is from the envelope. And because I can just use a plain one of our white envelopes to send this. So I have a Christmas card all ready. How is that? Okay, I need to put the ink cover on the ink. Here we go. Okay, so gang, these were the cards that came in the kit, these two. And this is from the kit, from the Santa kit. And this is the alternative we made. So how's that? Like I said, I have 2 kits left if anybody wants them.